In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix gallery video not playing on Android device. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option apps. Here you're going to find tons of apps. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Then search for the app gallery. Once you find it, launch it. Now here, click on the option storage. Click on the option clear cache. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, so this might fix your issue. Next up, move your video to the internal storage. If your video is on SD card, move it to internal storage. Corrupted or slow SD cards often cause playback errors. Likewise, update or reinstall Gallery app. For that, close this and launch your Play Store. Now search for Gallery. After it appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update it to its latest version. Next up, update your software. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down and navigate to the option Software Update. If you found out any updates, just download and install it. And that's it. One of these methods should fix video not playing issue on your Android gallery. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.